What if I told you your morning coffee isn't just brewing, it's a vibrant chemical dance? And your toast? That's a masterpiece of molecular transformation. Whether you're flipping pancakes or frying an egg, your kitchen is a laboratory packed with edible reactions. Today I'm unlocking the science happening right under your nose, literally. Let's kick things off with the Maillard reaction. Ever wondered why steak gets that crave-worthy brown crust? Or why bread smells so darn good when it's baking? It's all thanks to sugars and amino acids teaming up under heat. They swap atoms, form new molecules, and boom, flavor fireworks. That golden brown color, pure chemistry magic. Next up, acid-base adventures. Grab some baking soda and vinegar and watch the bubbles fizz up in your cake batter. That's carbon dioxide gas being made right before your eyes, giving your cakes that perfect rise. No mad scientist gear required, just pantry staples doing their thing. Now, let's talk about emulsion elixirs. Oil and water usually can't stand each other, right? But with a little help from an emulsifier, like egg yolk or mustard, they blend into creamy mayonnaise or a zesty vinaigrette. It's kitchen chemistry that tastes as good as it looks. But why stop there? Let's get a little funky with fermentation. Whether it's bread dough rising with yeast or yogurt getting tangy with bacteria, these tiny microbes are biochemical powerhouses. They transform simple ingredients into fluffy loaves and probiotic-rich snacks. Ever wondered what happens when you cook an egg? That's denaturation at work. Heat unravels the egg's proteins, turning them from clear and runny to firm and opaque. Try cracking a raw egg next to a cooked one. The transformation is pure protein science. Let's peel back another layer with oxidation. When you slice an apple and it turns brown, that's oxygen reacting with enzymes in the fruit. But squeeze a little lemon juice on top, the browning slows down, thanks to the power of simple acid chemistry. Temperature and time are secret ingredients too. Freezing food slows down reactions, keeping things fresh for longer. And boiling water? It's not just for pasta. Boiling sterilizes and cooks efficiently thanks to the science of latent heat. And don't underestimate the magic of low and slow braising. Time lets tough meat break down, unlocking deep, savory flavors. So next time you step into your kitchen, look closer. You're not just cooking, you're conducting experiments in your very own chemistry lab. Remember, every meal you make is powered by science. What edible mysteries are you curious about? Drop your questions in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more delicious science. Until next time, keep experimenting and keep it tasty.